Hello! In today's topic, we will talk about work from home or remote RN side gig or part-time. Before that, welcome to my Nurse Insight. What is this? Be a Hedis medical abstractor. What is Hedis? Healthcare Effectiveness Data in Information Set. It's a tool for measuring the performance of healthcare plans according to NCQA, and it determines and evaluates performance measures and see how well they treat the members, see where they have gaps in care. Who developed it? NCQA, or the National Committee for Quality Assurance. When? In year 1991. What is your role as an RN? Hedis nurse review medical records and collect specific data in accordance to the Hedis measures you are assigned. Some perform overread process. What are the qualifications? According to LinkedIn, high level of knowledge regarding Hedis measures, must research and be detail-oriented, abilities to gather and analyze data, organize and write reports, and organize work efficiently, excellent verbal and written communication skills in the English language. Must pass multiple pre-hire tests, or there are a lot of tests before you go on board, and ability to work independently, able to accurately record timekeeping. So you must be independent. And you must have computer skills. Knowledge of Microsoft Office is required, like Word, Excel, Outlook. No Wi-Fi connections are allowed. Must commit a full time to the schedule. Require clinical background. A Hedis Abstractor experience. Must have a place or room as home office. Must be licensed and a BSN graduate. How many months contract? Around 4 to 5 months, January to May yearly, so it's a good for a side gig or part-time. Work schedule, around 8 hours, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. What are the benefits? You have an opportunity to overtime, day shift, weekend off. You can spend more time with your family, satisfactory salary, and a work-at-home setup. What are some disadvantages? So for some who wants long-term employment, I think it's not for you because this is only seasonal. Training and experience needs might be worrisome for some, and some may not have a health benefits. So you must have your own. What is the average salary? Around $37 per hour or $6,560 per month. It depends on your experience and state. What company is hiring? You may check your LinkedIn or Google site for job hiring companies. Friendly reminder, Proverbs 21:23. Thanks for watching my Nurse Insight. Subscribe. God bless.